Hey Divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, I know in my previous video I told you that you should be careful when using the L'Oreal eye color. So I wasn't taking my own advice, so this is what happened. But no worries, I'm gonna fix it in just simple step. But with this too, you have to be careful, because if you apply the product to the lace and it seeps through, it's gonna take away the color from the hair, so you have to be extra careful. So this is the product that I'm going to use. It's called the color OOOPS, and I'm going to use this to correct the lace. So guys, if you want to see why I do it, continue to watch. So these are what the contents come in. So you have bottle number 1 and bottle number 2, and they are both equal amounts. So it's one what do you call it, 1 part to 1 part. So it's I think it's 30 ml each. So because I won't be using everything, I'm going to be using a measuring cup to ensure that I get the closest measurement as possible, and then put them together, mix them around in my mixing bowl, and then apply to the affected area. So you can apply it to your hair, your lace, wherever you want to get the color from. So as I said earlier, you got to be careful, because if this seeps through the lace, it is gonna get on the hair, and then when it gets on the hair, it's gonna remove the color. So you'll have to go in and recolor the roots, mainly the roots. Now, after applying it to every spot, I let it sit for 20 minutes before rinsing it out. But the instruction says 20 minutes, but I let it stay on much longer because after 20 minutes it did not move. So I let it sit for much longer and then went ahead and wash it thoroughly, because this color Oops, it has a strong scent and you want to get rid of that. So you want to use some good products in order to get rid of that smell. Here you go, guys. This is it. This is what it looks like after I rinse it out and let it sit overnight and air dry. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're an oldie but a goodie. Thank you for coming back. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.